Hi guys, it's Richard Lizu, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this Google Wi-Fi. So I've recently been having a lot of problems with my internet connection after moving to my new place. Like the Wi-Fi has, I have one really expensive network adapter, and it can't connect to my Wi-Fi. And then also my USB network adapter does not have a steady connection enough for me to play video games. So I just bought the 3 set of Google Wi-Fi for $259 at Best Buy. And now I'm going to unbox it and show it to you. So I'm actually only just going to be using 2 of these for my own purposes, and then one more I'm going to sell to my friend. So let's get started. So the sleeve just comes off. Let's put that over there. And there's a little tab here, piece of tape. And that's just awesome. And then so here are the 3. Oh, these are relatively large in size actually. So let's do a comparison here with a Google Home Mini. So as you can see, the size is slightly bigger, but then from a side, it's like about almost twice the height there. So that's disgusting. So that's the size comparison with the and then here's the size comparison with my keyboard. The 3 come in a bag about as large as the keyboard. So that's, and then now underneath there's some, let's get started. Let's see, some cables here. What are these cables? Okay, so this is awesome. So it comes with Ethernet cables, which is very nice. Then the charger for one of them. This is just the USB-C brick, it's great that it uses USB-C, and I'm guessing there are just 3 of them for each of the 3. So I'm going to leave one in there because I'm only going to use 2 right now. Let's just put this back. I'm not going to use the built-in one because I actually have... This is actually slightly long for my purposes, and I have my own, so I'm just going to use mine. Let's put that back in there. Let's see. Same thing. Second one, same exact thing. Oh, the second one, there's actually no USB cable. There's no Ethernet cable in that one. Just an FYI. And then it seems like they're not exactly. They're definitely not exactly square. So like, be careful of the orientation when you're putting it in. It only fits one way. So that's the 3 here. Let's put this back on. Let's put one back in the middle there. Awesome. So that's the unboxing experience. As I was editing the footage, I realized that I had lost some of the video of the setup process, but I'll just kind of recap it to you right now. Basically, all I had to do was download an app on my phone, and then follow the instructions there, and then scan some QR codes on top of the Google Wi-Fis, and then the entire setup process took maybe less than half an hour. I had to plug each one of them into, I had to plug an Ethernet cable into this one, and then plug that into the router, and then on the other one, I plugged it into the other one, and then plugged that into my computer. Setup took like maybe, less than half an hour, and then I was good to go. And then everything worked from then. So yeah, thanks for watching this unboxing video. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any ideas for future videos, please comment those down below. I'll see you in the next one.